asepsis of other instruments and of solutions. In order to permit clean urethral work, the wall tanks, syringes, and other containers, as well as the solutions, must be sterilized quite as carefully as the urethral instruments themselves. Tanks, syringes, etc. All containers are best sterilized by boiling immediately before each clinic or office hour. Wall tanks may, however, be left filled with an antiseptic solution between times. It is necessary to have at hand a pan of boric acid solution in which to cool sounds after boiling, and to rinse instruments that have been sterilized by formalin. It is my custom to keep all syringes, hypodermic needles, mixing rods, installator catheters in a 10% formalin solution, supersaturated with borax. It is peculiarly important that all containers should be kept from any contact with urine. The measuring glass for urine should, therefore, be of a peculiar shape, readily distinguishable from that employed for the solutions. Solutions. All solutions should be made up fresh, warm, and aseptic. The chemicals are kept in a certain stock, preferably solid, form, page 211, and the water must be both sterile and warm. The urologist should have 2 boilers containing a gallon or 2 apiece, each one of which should be boiled every alternate day, so that hot and cold sterile water are at hand to be mixed in any desired proportion. For him who depends upon a central supply of sterilized water, e.g. a boiler in the operating room, it is more convenient to keep cold sterile water in a glass reservoir and hot water in a metal reservoir covered with asbestos. Footnote: steel instruments do not rust in this solution if enough borax is kept in it actually to supersaturate it and leave a little undissolved at the bottom of the jar. As the borax dissolves very slowly, what may appear enough when the solution is first made up proves insufficient a day or 2 later. Summary of instrumental asepsis. 4 cystoscopes. Cabinet containing formalin lamp and desiccation apparatus. Clean well before and after sterilization. For other instruments, boil for 15 minutes. Use soluble lubricants and boil again after use. Keep in formalin cabinet. For solutions, hot and cold boiled water in boilers or tanks. Containers boiled daily. Mixing rods, syringes, etc. boiled and kept in sterile solutions.